Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, what I have for you is just a simple how to do dip powder fucking video. It's just start to finish, all the steps that I go through from, removing my cuticles all the way to nourishing my cuticles. So I know it's like a pretty simple, pretty basic video, but with Christmas being next week and everything that's going on, it's what I have for you. And I'm pretty excited because after this week I will be home again, so I'll be able to do some more things that I can't really do out on the road. So anyway, if you are into it, go ahead and stay tuned and let's get into it. Hey guys, Editing Rachel here. I just wanted to pop in here real quick and just tell you that I was super hesitant to use this footage in the first place because I knew that I had messed up the top coat, but I never really knew why, what I had done wrong. But now watching it back to edit, I realized that what I did wrong was that I was trying to use the top coat for like multiple nails and not putting the brush back into the bottle after each nail. And essentially it was hardening because these liquids are made to dry quickly. That's what they're like made to do, is to harden up and dry quickly. So if you keep your brush out of, especially with the top coats, out of the bottle for too long, they're gonna harden up. So I just wanted to pop in here and let you guys know that I'm gonna just continue to show you the rest of the video, but you might see how that's hardening up and giving me a hard time. So hopefully that helps any of you that might be having the same issue with your top coat. So that was my how to do dip powder nails. What did you think? Did you enjoy it? Did you find it useful? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for joining me for another week, and I will see you next week. Bye. Ready to go? You ready to go? I know this video was like pretty basic, and like most people that are watching my channel already, I feel like already have like the simple like how to do a dip powder. I can't talk today. Yeah, so I know this video was like pretty basic, and I know that like most of the people that are subscribed to this channel already know how to do like dip powder. You're here for like art and like how to like do other kind of things, and I totally get that. I just figured, why am I even saying this? And the sun's in the wrong place, so we're just gonna call it good with what I have. Yeah, fuck this shit.